Getting ready for the camping trip of a lifetime. It is hard to dispute the immense enjoyment people from so many walks of life derive from camping. To truly maximize your next camping adventure, you will need to possess a good number of valuable tricks and tips. The video that follows is chock full of useful information sure to help make your time in the great outdoors a huge success. Bring a large trash bag for dirty laundry, and keep it in a central location, suitable for everyone in your party. Let them pack their clothing individually, as this makes it much easier to find than if you pile it all in a community storage box or bag. Toss in a dryer sheet to any bag you want smelling fresh. Buy a sleeping bag which will suit the weather you will be in. You are going to roast all night long in a sleeping bag designed for cold weather that you camp with during summer. The reverse is also true. Using a light, cool sleeping bag in the middle of winter will keep you very cold. You may even develop hypothermia. Always take a fully stocked first aid kit when you venture out on a camping trip. You can put together your own kit with bandages, gauze pads, tweezers, scissors, antibacteria cream and antiseptic wipes in a sturdy container. You can also buy one of the many excellent ready-made kits to save time. A big concern with many people who go camping is the bugs. Do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere without having some sort of bug repellent. Check your surroundings before setting up camp for any wasp nests or ant hills that could cause you problems. Wear long pants and long-sleeved whenever possible and inspect yourself for ticks occasionally. Make sure to pack plenty of extra clothing for your children. Camping can be messy. Children seem to be dirt magnets. Expect them to be all shades of dirty as the day moves on. You may not be able to keep them clean, but you can bring a change of clothes. It's best to be prepared. The array of individuals who enjoy camping is surprisingly diverse. The common link that connects all experienced, skilled campers is their advanced level of knowledge on the topic. Heed the recommendations contained in the piece above, and you can join the ranks of seasoned campers who find the experience to be among the very best on earth. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.